Hi there, thanks for joining me. So you've made the decision to move to Repricer.com and want to take your min-maxes with you. Well, it's great to have you on board. In this video, we're going to show you how you can take your min-maxes from your existing provider and bring them over into Repricer. The first thing you need to do is get your existing min-max prices from your provider. You should be able to download these from within your existing tool. In order to make this process easier for you, please do one marketplace at a time. Once you've got these downloaded, we're going to start the Repricer side of the process by downloading a template. Go to Imports on the left-hand side of your screen. At this point, if you're importing Amazon min-maxes, you'd click Download Amazon Template. If you're using eBay, you'd go to the eBay tab and click the same button. The rest of this video will be focused on the Amazon process. However, we do have a separate video about the eBay process also on the channel. So here we have our Amazon template. The first thing you'll notice is that there are a lot of fields on this template, and most of them you have no need to worry about at this stage. What we're actually going to do is cut it right down to the essential fields for this process. So let's get started by deleting all the columns other than SKU, Marketplace, Merchant ID, Min Price, Max Price, and FBA. You can also upload the unit cost and Repricer rule if you have these values as well. If you are uploading a Repricer rule, please ensure you've already created that rule within Repricer. Whenever you download a template, it will have automatically pulled all of your products down. We're not going to need to use these as we're pulling in this data from your existing provider. So go ahead and delete all the products from this file. With that now done, we open the file from our existing provider. First, it's important to make sure that the data being displayed is just for the one channel you want to upload. In this example, we're only uploading the data from Amazon UK. If your provider's file is showing more than just the Amazon UK listings data, you should filter it to just display Amazon UK. Now we grab all of our SKUs. We then copy these and paste them into our file. Next, we do the same with our min and max price. We copy them and we paste them into our file. So that still leaves 3 fields to fill in: our Marketplace, Merchant ID, and FBA. These are required fields as they allow us to ensure that your products are being applied to the correct marketplace and SKU. The Marketplace field is easy. It's just an indicator of which Amazon these prices are going to be added to. In my example, I'm using Amazon UK, so I enter AUK. I've just displayed on screen a full list of all of these codes, but they're pretty easy to guess. Next, we need our Merchant ID. This Merchant ID is your ID number on Amazon. If you're aware of where to get it, great, just add it in for each SKU. However, if you're unsure, you can get it directly from Amazon, or you could even get it within Repricer. Within Repricer, go to Channel, and then you will see it right there on your channel table. Okay, with those set, we've now only got the one last piece of information we need, which is FBA. If your existing provider has whether your product is FBA or not, great, pull that information into the spreadsheet now. However, if your existing provider's file doesn't have this information, that's okay. We have a nice little workaround we can use. On all of the products that you've got here, set them all to yes. Now copy and paste all your products so you're effectively duplicating them. Then set all of our duplicates to no. You should now have 2 of each SKU, one marked yes and one marked no. This way, if your product is FBA or not, it will apply the min-max for you. There's one final thing we're going to do before we save your file. What we're going to do is reformat your SKU field. This is to bypass a potential problem with some spreadsheet programs, which leads to the SKU becoming corrupted. Simply select the entire SKU column, right-click and go to Format Cells. Go to the Number tab, change decimal places to 0, and hit OK. With all that done, you can now save your file and we can import it back into Repricer. We'll just jump back into Repricer and click here to import the file. If there are any issues with your file, they will be highlighted to you here on screen, otherwise the file will just import for you. If you've only got a few thousand products in the file, it should import in no time. If there are tens of thousands, it might take a little bit longer. You can review the progress of your import on the Recent Imports tab. If you have any other marketplaces, you can now go ahead and do each in turn. And it's really that simple to migrate your min-maxes over to Repricer. If you need any help with this process, our support team or your onboarding specialist will be more than happy to lend a hand. If you are looking to explore a bit more about what Repricer can offer you in your business, explore the YouTube channel where we have dozens of other videos that can help. If you haven't started your trial yet, we offer one free for 14 days. Or why don't you get in touch and book a demo? Thanks for joining us today and have a great day.